Moving to a new country is an adventure, but it can also feel isolating at first, especially when you're trying to build a social circle from scratch. Luckily, Portugal is a friendly and welcoming place, and there are plenty of ways for expats to make meaningful connections. Here's a guide on how to make friends in Portugal, whether you're in a big city or a small town. I'm Lisbob, the expat's assistant, here to help you settle in and build your social network. Learn basic Portuguese phrases. While many Portuguese people speak English, especially in larger cities, learning a few basic Portuguese phrases shows respect for the local culture and can make a great first impression. Even simple phrases like bom dia, good morning, obrigado, obrigada, thank you, and como está, how are you, can go a long way. Locals appreciate the effort, and you may find that it opens doors for friendly conversations and interaction. You don't have to be fluent, but showing that you're trying will make people more inclined to connect with you. Join expat and local groups on social media. Social media groups on platforms like Facebook and Meetup are great resources for expats looking to connect with others in Portugal. Many cities like Lisbon, Porto, and the Algarve have expat groups where members share advice, events, and meetup opportunities. These groups are an easy way to meet people who are also adjusting to life in Portugal. Additionally, some groups focus on specific interests like hiking, language exchange, or book clubs, making it easy to find people who share your hobbies. Attend language exchange meetups. Language exchange meetups are popular in Portugal, especially in cities like Lisbon and Porto. These gatherings bring together locals and expats who want to practice different languages in a relaxed social setting. Language exchanges are a great way to meet Portuguese people who are open to meeting foreigners and enjoy cultural exchange. Plus, you get to improve your Portuguese in a fun, low-pressure environment. Websites like Meetup and even local cafes often host language exchange nights. So keep an eye out for events in your area. Get involved in local community events. Portugal has a rich cultural calendar filled with festivals, markets, and community events that are perfect for meeting locals. Whether it's a wine festival in the Douro Valley, a traditional fado music night, or a weekend market, community events provide a casual atmosphere for socializing. Attending these events is not only fun, but also shows that you're interested in Portuguese culture, which locals appreciate. Strike up a conversation and don't be afraid to ask questions. Many Portuguese people are happy to share their traditions with newcomers. Just a quick reminder. The first and most important step before moving to Portugal is getting your NIF, your tax identification number. Without it, you can't work, find accommodation, or open a bank account. I can help you get your NIF remotely in just a few days. Just click the link in the description below. Volunteer with local organizations. Volunteering is an excellent way to give back to the community while meeting new people. Many organizations in Portugal, especially in larger cities, welcome volunteers, whether it's at animal shelters, community centers, or environmental initiatives. By volunteering, you'll meet people who are also passionate about a cause and are often open to making new friends. It's a great way to integrate into the local culture and gain a sense of purpose, all while building connections with like-minded individuals. Take a class or join a club. Signing up for a class or joining a club is a great way to meet people who share your interests. Whether it's a cooking class, yoga, a hiking group, or an art workshop, participating in regular activities allows you to meet people in a structured environment. Many cities offer classes in English, but joining a Portuguese speaking class is a good way to practice the language and connect with locals. Consistent attendance makes it easier to build friendships, as you'll be seeing the same faces over time. Explore the cafe culture. Portugal is known for its cafe culture, where people love to gather for a coffee and a chat. Frequenting local cafes is a relaxed way to meet people, especially if you become a regular. Some cafes host events, book clubs, or open mic nights, offering more opportunities for socializing. Don't be afraid to say hello to other regulars, or strike up a conversation with the cafe owner or barista. They might introduce you to others. Embracing this slower pace and taking time to enjoy a coffee can help you blend into the community. Quick tip for expats. If you're moving to Portugal, I've got online courses that make life here so much easier. Banking, taxes, healthcare, you name it. And the best part? You can try them free for 30 days. Check the link below, and now back to the video. Attend networking events and workshops. Portugal, especially Lisbon, has a growing startup and business scene with regular networking events, workshops, and conferences. These gatherings attract a mix of locals and international professionals, making it a great environment for meeting new people. Many events are held in English or are bilingual, which makes it easier for expats to participate. Networking events are ideal for expats who work remotely or are interested in entrepreneurship, as they provide opportunities for both professional connections and friendships. Say yes to invitations. When you're invited to an event, gathering, or even a casual coffee, say yes as often as you can. Accepting invitations, especially in the beginning, will help you expand your social circle and get more comfortable with Portuguese customs. Locals appreciate it when newcomers are open to learning about their culture and joining social activities, even if it's outside your comfort zone. Shows that you're making an effort. Don't worry if you're nervous. Most people are friendly and welcoming, and the more you say yes, the easier it will become to build lasting connections. I hope these tips help you make meaningful connections in Portugal. Remember, building friendships takes time, but with an open mind and a bit of effort, you'll soon feel at home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expat insights. See you soon!